Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Zoey's look from K-pop Demon Hunters on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this. So let's get started with the video. I did use some adjustments, but just for the hair. So for the hair, I'm just going to use this hair. It's in updos. It's this one over here in black. Then you use this hair in bangs only in black. Position the Y to 0.52. And rotate the X to 0.52. Then you are going to not scale it, I guess. Okay, I did not scale it. Go to the dressing rooms and we're going to grab this top from the spring collection. Color it this color first, 668E81, and save that in glitter, and then glitter again in black, and then in this color in glitter. Then we are going to use this dress in the second toggle in that same color in glitter for both toggles. And then we are going to use this top over here and we're going to color it this color 293934 in glitter as well. Like, oops. So, sorry. Then what you're going to want to do next, okay, there's someone in there. You're going to put these pants on, this one, in this color, 403178, and then in this color, the same as the top here, and then the rest just this color. Before going out, you're just going to want to put on these shoes in, I think I did yellow, purple, and then I did purple and then yellow, like this. And then to add more yellow to the pants, just use these jeans in this color, EFBC5B. And that's it. You can add more accessories, but this is super simple to do and easy to remember. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!